Losing important data on Samsung phones can be frustrating, highlighting the need for regular backups. This video shares 6 practical tips for Samsung backup and restore to keep your data safe and accessible. Method 1. Backup and restore Samsung phone in one click. Looking for the best way to do Samsung backup and restore? Look no further than using MobiKin Backup Manager for Android. Step 1. Install and launch the software. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer via USB or Wi-Fi. Enable USB debugging if prompted. Once detected, the program's main interface will appear. Step 2. Choose the backup option from the main interface, and you can see different data types on the interface. Please choose the ones you'd like to back up and customize an output folder to save the backup data. Step 3. Click on the Backup button to start the transfer. Wait for a moment, and you will be notified that the backup has been completed. Step 4. To restore the backup content to your Samsung or other Android phone, make the connection as above. Finally, you can click on the Restore button on the interface and follow the easy directions to complete the restore. Method 2. Backup and restore Galaxy phone via MobiKin Assistant for Android. If you want to further manage these phone data while backing up and restoring Samsung data, then MobiKin Assistant for Android is your best bet. Step 1. After downloading and installing the program on your PC or Mac, launch it and connect your Samsung device to the computer via the matching USB cable. Once connected, it will be detected by the program successfully. Step 2. From the primary interface of the program, you can navigate to the top menu to choose the Super Toolkit option. Next, click the Backup option, and all the Galaxy items that can be backed up are listed here. Step 3. Choose the file types to back up, such as contacts, messages, photos, videos, music, apps, etc., and select the path where you want to save these files on your computer. Finally, tap Backup to start the Samsung backup. Alternatively, you have the ability to back up and restore your data selectively. To do this, go to the left sidebar and pick the data types you want to handle. Then select the files and tap the Export button or just click the Import button before following the prompts to accomplish the task. Method 3. Backup and restore Samsung Galaxy via Google Drive. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy and follow the setup until Copy Apps and Data. Select Restore from Google Drive, log in, and choose the backup file. Select Data to restore, tap Restore, and complete the setup. Method 4. Backup Samsung to PC and restore it via Dropbox. Install Dropbox on your PC. Open it. Go to Sync and Backups, select Folders, and click Set Up. On your Samsung device, use My Files to select Files, tap Share, and choose Add to Dropbox. Method 5. Backup Samsung phone to PC and restore it with Smart Switch. Step 1. Download and install Smart Switch on your PC. Launch it and use a USB cable to link your Samsung phone to the computer. Step 2. Smart Switch will detect your Samsung phone and show it on its main interface. Backup. Click Backup on Smart Switch to start. Restore. Connect and click Restore. Select a backup if needed. Click Restore now and disconnect when done. Method 6. Backup and restore Samsung phone via Samsung Cloud. Go to Settings, Backup and Reset or Cloud and Account. Tap Backup My Data. Sign into your Samsung account or create one. Select Data to backup. Enable Auto Backup and tap Backup Now. Restore backup data from Samsung Cloud. Choose the option of Restore. Select the contents that you want to restore and press Restore Now to restore the selected files to your Samsung phone. Please note that after the restore, some data on your Samsung phone will be deleted. Method 7. Backup Galaxy and restore Samsung backup via SD card. Backup. Confirm your Galaxy phone supports SD cards. Insert a compatible SD card. Use the File Manager to move files to the SD card. Restore. Make sure the SD card with the backup is inserted into your phone. Open the File Manager app. Navigate to the files or folders you want to restore, select Move or Cut, and then paste them back to their original locations.